From your local National Weather Service office in Gaylord, this is meteorologist Dave Lawrence bringing you the latest rendition of our hazardous weather briefing for northern lower and eastern upper Michigan. Today is Saturday, the 21st day of December 2013, and it is the first day of winter, so happy winter, everyone. Although, for most areas out there, especially the snow belts, it certainly has looked like winter for quite some time now. Let's talk right about the storm here we expect over the next 24 hours. That's, of course, the big weather news. Accumulating snow expected across all of northern Michigan beginning late tonight and continuing through the day on Sunday. This will be a very greasy snow, wet snow, much like what we saw during the day yesterday on Friday, giving us reduced visibilities at times and, of course, very slick road conditions out there. So if you have any pre-Christmas travel plans, just keep that in the back of your mind. Slow going tomorrow, it looks like. Behind that, we'll talk about a little bit of accumulating lake effect snow, mainly for Sunday night and Monday. But it looks like we'll see a couple more weather systems impact us as we go through the Christmas holiday week, and that could bring us some additional accumulations, especially for the day Wednesday into Thursday. Now here's sort of a breakdown of our timing of hazards expected over the next couple of days. Again, the main hazard will be, at least initially, some heavy snow from late tonight through the day on Sunday, and then you can see some additional chances for accumulating snow toward Christmas Day and the day after as well. And another bigger story will be very cold temperatures, high temperatures only in the teens, perhaps even stuck in the single digits through much of the upcoming work week for a lot of areas. So very, very chilly out there, even for this time of the year. Well, there's our big storm system gathering lots of moisture down toward the Gulf of Mexico. Lots of showers and thunderstorms ongoing down that way. That system will quickly lift to the north and east as we go through the overnight hours with low pressure tracking basically toward the Detroit area late tonight, and especially on Sunday. That will drag precipitation up into the colder air already in place and, of course, result in some wintry precipitation all across the area. Now, we're really lucky up here in northern Michigan. We're going to escape sort of the worst of this in terms of the icy mix. That will be more centered toward southern Michigan, where they can expect a mix of sleet, rain, and freezing rain. We certainly don't need any of that. Up here, though, mostly just snow. At this time, it looks like snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches will do it for much of northern lower Michigan. Amounts tapering north of the bridge toward 2 to 4 inches. This is a pretty solid idea and has really come together over the last couple of days. So confidence is pretty high that what you see here is exactly what's going to occur. The one area that could be the exception is areas closer to Saginaw Bay. We wouldn't be shocked to see a little bit of sleet, maybe even a little bit of freezing rain mix in down toward that area. But I think that would be brief and something we'll keep a close eye on here over the next couple of hours as we look at the latest forecast data. Otherwise, here's another breakdown of that snow accumulation map. Really, 4 to 8, maybe 5 to 8 should do it for a lot of areas. That's going to be a good solid base snow for any of you snowmobilers or skiers out there. It should be just a great couple of days coming up for outdoor recreation after this storm goes on through. Well, that concludes the latest rendition of this briefing. Thanks for your time today. Be sure to stop by, interact with us on Facebook and Twitter. Send us your snow reports over the next 24 to 36 hours. Those are very useful to us. And if you have any other questions, stop by on our sites there and let us know. Otherwise, we look forward to having you back for the latest update to this briefing, which will be posted online no later than 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.